Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up a Trello board. So first of all, guys, I will need you to go to your browser and then open this URL section. Now go to it and search for Trello board, and here we will go to this Trello website. So as you can see here, I have already an account, so let me just disconnect real quick. Here, as you can see, you can just log into another account, add another account. You can just log into it using Google account, Microsoft or Apple, or even with Slack. And let me just go back to my account. So let's go back, continue, and here we go. Now, let me just go back. Something was wrong. So I will just log in using my Google account. And here we go. So basically, guys, as you can see here, you can see your boards. For example, let's create a new board and I will make it somewhere like so. All right, let's keep it that way. And let's name it, for example, school or exams. Now I've created. Let me just change the language really quick to English. So here we go. Now here we can add list. So add list to revise to exercises, for example, and for example, done. So now what we need to do is add the map. So for example, to revise, we can add math, physics, so PH is E for science industry, and let me just move this is E, yes, and here I will add like I don't know, HVT is that's like so go on. So for example, here we can add map, for example, math 30 exercises, and you can type whatever you'd like here, and whenever you're done with something, so for example, ongoing, and let's say that you have been learning math and you are done with it, you just have to click here, drag it over here, and just like so you have like um, a dashboard that helps you to organize your time to learn and study, or even you can use it not only for school but even for your work or for your freelancing job. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.